Strong wind signal number 3 is now in force. First, let's take a look at the track of Nida. At 4 p.m., Tropical Storm Nida was centered about 240 kilometers to the northwest of Hong Kong. It is forecast to move west-northwest at a speed of about 20 kilometers per hour across inland Guangdong and weakening gradually. As Nida continued to move across inland Guangdong and weakened, as well as it was moving away from Hong Kong, local winds continue to moderate this afternoon. The observatory will cancel all tropical cyclone warning signals shortly. Locally, occasional strong winds will still affect the offshore areas and also high grounds at first. There will also be swells, so the public should stay away from the shoreline. Now, let's take a look at the Nida when it moves towards coast of Guangdong and make landfall close to Hong Kong, over the east of Hong Kong this morning. This picture is showing the radar picture at 2 a.m. early this morning. At that time, Nida was centered to the east of Hong Kong. When we look at the radar pictures, we can see that the eye of Nida covers quite a large area. We can see that the radius of the eye cover a distance of about 50 kilometers. And it was moving in a northwest or west-northwest direction and make landfall very close to Hong Kong, over the east of Hong Kong. And also it moved across Hong Kong to the north, close to the north of Hong Kong later. When Nida was over our east, we are affected by northwesterly winds. And when the eye of Nida moved across to the north of Hong Kong and very close to Hong Kong, local winds have subsided a bit. But when it crossed over the north of Hong Kong, our local winds turn to southwesterly and strengthen again. We can look at the time series of the winds over Tsim Sha Tsui Star Ferry, right over the time in the early morning from 2 to 7 a.m. We can see that when Nida was still over our east in the early morning, at about 2 to 3 a.m., we can see that the Star Ferry, the winds are mainly from west or west-northwest. And we can see that the gusts of Star Ferry winds occasionally reach gale force levels. And when the eye of Nida passed very close to Hong Kong, make landfall over east of Hong Kong and then pass to the north of Hong Kong, when the eye are very close to the territory, we can see there are weakening of winds right here at about 5 or 6 a.m. But afterwards, when the eye level move inland, when the eye of Nida move inland across to the northwest of Hong Kong, we can see local winds turn to southwesterly, and we can see strengthening of winds again, and the wind speed increase significantly to up to storm level here. And then after Nida make landfall and weaken gradually, when it move towards inland Guangdong, local winds subside gradually later in the morning and also in the afternoon. At the same time, we can look at some sea level information when we are affected by Nida. With the combined effects of storm surge effects of Nida, as well as a high tide this morning at about 8 to 9 a.m., we can see that the sea level is about over 0.5 meters higher than the normal tide level. We can see that at this time it is with the combined effects of the high tide as well as the effects of leader. Now let's take a look at the weather forecast of coming days. For the weather forecast for tonight and tomorrow, winds will be fresh south to southwesterlies, occasionally strong over high ground and offshore areas at first. The weather will be cloudy with occasional squally showers. There will also be swells, so people should stay away from the shoreline. Looking ahead for tomorrow, the temperature will range between 26 to 30 degrees. And looking ahead, we'll see there will still be occasional showers on Thursday. And then in the following couple of days, the weather will improve gradually.